Hello, and welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the benefits of slow cookers. Some of you who have been watching my shorts know I use slow cookers a lot. And the reason is I have no oven. I am now living in a tiny house at the beach during the week, and I pretty much have to cook with a sandwich press, a slow cooker, and an air fryer. So that is what I've been using, and I found that it actually helps me save time. There are a ton of different kinds of slow cookers. I have an Instant Pot, I have a large slow cooker, and a little small one just for my tiny house down here at the coast. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of effortless, flavor-packed meals? Today, like I said, we're going to delve into the enchanting world of slow cookers. Discover how this one kitchen wonder can revolutionize the way you cook, eat, and enjoy your food.
Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
Slow cookers, also known as crock-pots, work their magic by simmering food at low heat over several hours. This gentle cooking method locks in flavor, tenderizes meat, and melds ingredients into mouth-watering dishes. It's all about bringing out the best in your food with patience and gentle heat. Picture this: a hot, ready-to-eat meal greeting you at the door after a long day. With a slow cooker, it's possible. Toss in your ingredients, set the timer, and off you go. It's perfect for busy lifestyles, making mealtime a breeze and freeing up your day. Embrace a healthier way of cooking with slow cookers. They retain more nutrients, require less added fats, and minimize the risk of charring, making each dish not only delicious but also filled with goodness. Slow cookers are your secret weapon for flavor. They infuse your food with richness and depth, turning simple ingredients into gourmet meals. The long cooking time allows herbs and spices to fully release their aromas, saturating the dish with irresistible flavors. Economical and eco-friendly, slow cookers use less electricity than conventional ovens and are perfect for budget meals. Transform economical ingredients into sumptuous feasts, proving that great taste doesn't have to break the bank. Dive into slow cooking with ease. Start with simple recipes and let your culinary creativity soar. From stews and soups to decadent desserts, there's a slow cooker recipe for every occasion. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy the magic. I have placed a link to one of my favorite slow cooker cookbooks in the description section of this video. Transform your cooking and savor every flavorful, nutritious bite with a slow cooker. If you know anyone that you think might enjoy this video, please send it to them. If you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more happy, healthy living ideas. I release videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, on happy, healthy living, medications, and nutritional supplements. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.